Hi, my name is Muskan Gerola. I'm the founder and CEO of Vesna Event Crafters, and I have started the season one of VC Queen of India, and I'm so much looking forward to now season two. This is our season one, and it's very special to us. This is our very first queen, and we are thrilled to have a lovely, beautiful six queens here. And the exciting part is that we did this event in Goa, and I'm super excited about it. Since they are not professional models, it's a platform for everybody, for the regular women, for me, for others, for misses who are widowed, single mothers, and unmarried women. So it's for everyone. So they are not professionals, and to actually groom them was a very big task. But I think they did a fantastic job, and we had a great show.
Today, this beautiful program has commenced, and girls came out to be extremely talented, confident, and the kind of transformation which we saw is commendable. So I'm so happy, and I really wish them all the best. The organizer, Muskan, also it was her dream project, and it is her first project, and it's way to go. Loads of wishes to everyone, the entire team. These girls have come from different parts of India, so they had a different perception about life. So yes, the kind of quality of answers which they gave were extremely. That showed their mettle, okay. And when they started this journey, they were very raw, but then eventually they have done a lot of hard work, and we could really see a different them today.
Yeah, it was not easy. I think all of them are really good. We handpicked them, like 16 of them, after so many auditions. And I think it was not easy. It was a tough call. Even after selecting top five, also it was not easy for two to finally decide who will be the first or who will be the second. But I think girls did a great job. Final decision happened, when the Q&A finally was asked. So yeah, anyone who has passion for fashion, for modeling, they should never hold them back and just be themselves and just try. I think and I feel every woman is beautiful in and out.
Actually, being a show director, I have to take up any challenge when it comes to a beauty pageant or any runway show. So this was the first season. So we got a few very raw contestants, but within the span of time, we tried to give the best. We have organized it like our beauty pageant. जैसे एक बड़े ब्यूटी पैजेंट है वैसे ही हम ये भी ब्यूटी पैजेंट almost we gave all the things. Let it be the sessions, let it be the shoots, let it be the introduction, let it be the rounds, etc. So hopefully next season much bigger and better करेंगे.
Well, I think every show is different, and every contestants who participate in a show are different. Some come with experience, some are very much fresher on that platform. So, judging a show is always little difficult because at the end of the day, आपको शुरू से ये नहीं पता कि winner कौन है. There is a competition, and competition always usually happens when people are competitive and of probably of the same caliber. So if somebody is two people of the same caliber, you have to judge. It is a difficult task, and I think that happened here as well today. When I met the contestants for the first time, it was an offline session. It was an online session, in fact. And तब आप उनको ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकते, ज़्यादा जज नहीं कर सकते, because उस वक्त आप ही बोल रहे होते हैं. It is probably a digital platform where you cannot have a two-way interaction. And after that offline session लेने पे पता चला कि a lot of contestants, mostly many of them are raw. कुछ लोग स्टेज पे गए हैं अपने कॉलेज के दिनों में, स्कूल के दिनों में, बट इस तरीके के प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो पहली बार आए हैं. और वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अब जब वो फिनाले में आए, ट्रस्ट मी, अगर मैं उनके कंटेस्टेंट नंबर्स पे उनके नाम नहीं होते तो मैं शायद पहचान नहीं पाता.
Hi everyone, this is Trishita Chaudhary and I am the winner for VEC Queen of India 2024 for the Miss category.
Hello everyone, I'm Palak Noni and I'm the first runner-up for the Queen of India VEC in the Miss category.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratna Khanna, second runner-up of VEC Queen of India 2024 in the Miss category.
For me, it's a very exciting journey because honestly, I've never been into modeling before. I think it was always a long lost passion for me. I was always a stage person. So I wanted to explore this option, and then I got to know about VEC Queen of India and I auditioned for it. Luckily, I got selected as one of the finalists, and then we have amazing mentor, Muskan ma'am, Sunaina ma'am, they came together, even Kirti ma'am, they came together, they gave us the important grooming sessions during the diet plan, the walk, the how to gracefully carry yourself, the right attitude, makeup, and every tips were given.
Every girl, like since the childhood, they want to experience this, the crowning moment, and so am I. I wanted to have this moment. So for me, it was a very fresher journey. I am not experienced in modeling, but yes, I learned a lot of things. I have made so many unforgettable memories, and of course, the grooming sessions, they're gonna stay with us forever. Be it Ankit sir or Kirti ma'am, Sunaina ma'am, Muskan ma'am, all of them were so inspirational. We learned so much from them. And yes, we are taking so much with us when we go back home.
For me personally, this journey was so smooth. I was guided by the brightest of all, Sunaina ma'am, Muskan ma'am, and all our beautiful and talented mentors. And this is my first show, so I learned a lot how to stand, how to pose. Of course, I faced some difficulties, but yeah, I was guided.
I am Diksha Nijavan and I am the winner for the Mrs. category for VEC Queen of India 2024.
I am Rijgi John from Kerala. I am the first runner-up title winner for VEC Mrs. Category Queen of India 2024.
Hi, my name is Kalpana Das Gandhi and I am the winner for the second runner-up for VEC in Mrs. Category 2024.
I had a tint of modeling, that's why I also enrolled for this beauty pageant because I was very passionate for modeling and fashion. And I would definitely say that the grooming sessions were totally helpful because they groomed us so well. They prepared us for every situation, how to answer the questions, and if in case we forget anything in the introduction, then how should we exactly handle the situation. So I would really like to thank the team of VEC Queen of India, all the jury members and all the mentors.
I always wanted to be a model and that's why I am here. So when I got to know about VEC, I thought why not give it a try. And also our mentors were some industry stalwarts like Sham Khan sir, who was a show director, Muskan ma'am, Kirti ma'am, Sunaina ma'am. So they all have been like wonderful. We have been having online grooming session which really helped us because they hand-holded us literally because most of us who are standing here, we do not have any prior experience. So it has been great. The journey has been excellent.
I started quite a year back, 17 years back again, and starting once again in Mrs. category after 17 years. What a great experience. And yes, we did get a very good sessions, and we were given very good chance for learning by all the mentors, starting from Sunaina ma'am and Muskan ma'am, Tarandeep, and then from Ankit sir, then all the crew members and all. So it was a very nice journey here, and we have learned a lot and taking forward as well.
It was a great journey to transform them. A lot of them were raw, but the transformation from the beginning till what they are now and how they performed on stage and the confidence that they have built and how they have transformed their bodies over these 6 months with the right diet and the right amount of exercise, it's commendable, and I'm super proud of all of them. It was a fabulous event, and all kudos to both of them, Muskan Gairola and Ravi Gairola. They have done a super show. It was flawless considering it is the first season. I am really amazed, and all the best to the future.
लुक्स के लिए क्या होता है कि कलर्स कुछ ऐसे होते हैं, बेस्ट इंडियन हेयर कलर्स को ना हमें देखना पड़ता है कि कैसी मॉडल्स के ऊपर कैसा कलर करना है, उनकी स्किन के हिसाब से हमें कलर डिज़ाइन करना पड़ता है. सपोज़ किसी को वार्म करना है, किसी को कूल करना है, या उनकी पर्सनैलिटी के हिसाब से कलर करते हैं. सीधा हाउस वाइफ या शायद वो कोई एक ऑफिशियली कोई वर्क में काम करते हैं, जैसे भी, तो उनकी पर्सनैलिटी को देख के हम कलर करते हैं.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.